Ladies and gentlemen, the Fair Use Act of 1976 is always enforced through all my videos. Just remember, thank you so much. Appreciate that. What's up, guys? Wow, do I got a video for you today? Oh, do I ever. Do I ever. So guys, I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves and each other. I hope your week is going well. Just 2 more days till Saturday Night Live, and oh my goodness, do I have a surprise for you guys. 1 or 2 of you already know the surprise, which is fine. But I gotta show you guys a little something. So guys, I did receive a strike yesterday. I got it removed right away. But almost immediately afterwards, I got another strike. And I want to show you guys which video it's on. It's on none other than a huge dope baggie on Mike's lap. Now it's removed by none other than, as you can see, and it was today, March 26th. And I just want to attract your guys' attention over here real quick. 1 day ago, or wait, where is it? Okay, 1 day ago, 1 video was removed. You now have 1 copyright strike. Counter notification forwarded, which means I did an appeal on that strike. Claimant has 10 days to show some sort of court evidence action, which means they have to show that they filed a lawsuit against me. Not a cease and desist, not a civil action that you apply for that anyone can do. An actual lawsuit that you pay for, that you pay an attorney for. Not something you do pro SE. You got it, Cherry? Now, 10 minutes ago, 1 video was removed. You now have 1 copyright strike. So, had I not got that removed, I'd have 2, correct? Correct. But 6 hours ago, I had that strike removed, and he's back at it again. He's back at it again. Just give it up, bro. Just give it up. You are what you are. Why be embarrassed of that? Why be embarrassed? You're the one that puts yourself on YouTube, not me. These are your videos I'm reviewing. Oh boy. Oh boy, I tell you. Anyway, so the video in question was huge dope baggie on Mike's lap. Well, I'm starting to think he doesn't want something to be seen in that video. Maybe it's this? Maybe we should slow it down and, really dive deep into a deep cut. Let's go for a deep cut, man. This is only a few days old, but, deep cut. What's that? Oh, what's on Mike's lap? What's on Mike's lap? Uh-oh, what's on Mike's lap? Hot dog wrapper. Sulfane wrapped in a ball. Bubble wrap. What is it? Bubble wrap? Yeah. That's bubble wrap, bro. What is that in his hand? What is that? When you start to take videos down on proV's channel, you better be ready to watch those videos when they come back. Because they're back. They're right here, folks. I just want to keep this on screen for as long as I can. Because, Cherry, I just want to tell you one thing. If you're trying to hide the obvious, why don't you just not do it? Why don't you be clean and straight like you say you are, Cherry? Cherry, see, the thing about you is you think you can treat people a certain way. You think you can do anything you want without the consequences. Well, either you're working real hard. We know that. Because all the bodies that you sent to the law enforcement, all these people that surround you that have been put to prison, that have put in jail, there's so many of them. Gotta ask yourself, why is he striking all of these videos down from proV's channel? Why? Why? Is it the content? Yes. Is it because he doesn't want to be exposed? Yes. Is it because just flat out he doesn't want anything to happen to himself in regard to having his YouTube channel taken or anything else? I have no idea. I don't live in Greensboro. I don't know how it goes down there. Although I have family there. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say, look at that. Look at that. How can you deny that? And why else would he want this video removed? Huh? Let's run it back a few times, guys. You see it yourself. And Crystal's super happy. Look at her. She's all touching him and everything. She's like, give me some of that. Yeah, dope bag on Mike's lap. Real sober, huh? Mike's real sober, huh? I say the PO, Mike's PO, show up 3 or 4 days before you're supposed to show up. Do a random on him and see what happens, because no, something like this goes down, you gotta show up. And if you don't show up, man, that's questioning you now. Like, I'm gonna question the PO. If nothing comes out of this, if nothing materializes from this, I will be so befuddled, baffled. What's going on in the trailer? What is happening over here in Greensboro or in Greensville, wherever the heck they live, Somerville, Summer County, whatever? You gotta ask these questions, because shit like this really is questioning things. You have a video removed that shows a huge in the title, and guess what? I'm gonna use the same title. I'm gonna use the same damn title. What? Come on, man. I want to use the title. Where is it? Wait. How do I get back to that shit? It don't matter. I'll get it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to the channel, because the proV awareness tour continues, folks.